Welcome student. Today in our mathematics class of class 10, the topic is that is real number. So first of all, what is real number? So all the rational and irrational number is known as real number. So now we have to prove that a question is that is prove that root 3 is irrational number. Okay. Now the solution is that is irrational number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. So first of all, we can suppose that is root 3 is rational number. Now right here that is let root 3 be rational. How we have to write rational number? That is a rational number is written in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integer. So this can be written is that is p by q. Now this is the square root of 3. So from removing the square root, then squaring both sides. Right here that is squaring both side. Okay, take this root 3 square p upon q whole square. Now this can be written as 3 is equal to p square upon q square. Now take this here, that is 3q square is equal to p square. This is equation 1. Here that is write 3 divides p square. Since 3 divides p square, this implies that 3 also divides p. That is 3 divides p square. So 3 also divides p. Now we can write let us take let us take p is equal to, that is the factor 3 and a constant that is k, 3k. Let us take p is equal to 3k and then put this in equation 1. Now we have to put here that is in place of p, that is 3k. So this can be written as 3q square is equal to 3k whole square, and this can also be written as 3q square is equal to 9k square, and now cancel this 3. Therefore q square is equal to 3k square. Here look here, that is 3 also divides q square. Therefore since 3 divides q square, this implies that 3 also divides q. Look here, that is 3 divides p square and 3 is also divides q or q square. So 3 is the common factor of p and q. Right here, that is therefore 3 is common factor of p and q. But look here, that is 3 divides p square, therefore 3 multiplied by q square. So our assumption is that is this contradict the fact that p and q have no common factor other than 1, because look here, that is 3 divides p square and 3 also divides q square. It is impossible. That is p and q have only common factor, that is 1. Therefore our supposition is wrong, and hence root 3 is irrational. Okay, this is our proof. And now on this basis you can prove some questions I will given you, that is prove that root 2, root 7 etc. be irrational. You can also do this question on the basis of this, that is root 2 and root 7 is irrational. Thank you.